NIST is famous to make this kind of an effort, even in Northeast. Therefore, in the headquarters, it is a cakewalk for you. So, congratulations to NIST for all the technology transfers that are happening in CSIR headquarters. Friends, I'll tell you one thing from the bottom of my heart. In every meeting, every possible meeting, not in every meeting, every possible meeting, I used to recall one word, which is the line of comparison with the performance of CSIR vis-a-vis the other ministry. I will say, if you just take the case of ISRO, every month the secretary is proudly telling, we are going to launch a satellite. Each month they will be launching a satellite and he will be proudly telling that, so madam, you should come, we are launching the satellite. And when I go to moth related activities, especially with CRRI, that is, moth people will say every day, they say that we are building a 30 to 45 kilometer length of road in the country in one sector or the other. So every day they have a target 30 to 45 kilometers of road. And railway, they say our number is not 30 to 40, but 15 to 20 kilometers of rails are being constructed, a railway line I'm talking about, every day. So like every ministry is coming up with some kind of a number. Somebody says in terms of per day, somebody says in terms of per month. Therefore, my pressure goes up. So, I don't require any low sodium salt. I require only technology transfers to happen every month. And therefore, I can also proudly lift my collar up and say that from CSIR, every month we are coming up with a kind of a TOT Mela, TOT festival. Like the way you said, it's a day of festival. It's a TOT festival that is happening. Because they have traveled all the way from Trivandrum not only to just give one technology or two technologies to one client. Here, number of things are there. Actually, people should understand. First thing, I wish to congratulate Dr. Ananta Ramakrishna. Appreciations a ton to you. Because every time, whenever he was inviting me to his laboratory, ruthlessly, mercilessly, I'll be going on throwing challenges. Not only challenges, I'll give him timeline also. I say you should do this within this timeline. And every time he kept up his promise, and every time he was able to give me one kind of a performance indicator. So that's why on the other day also I said, I thought that 100 is the maximum percentage. Now I learned that 1000 is also a percentage. 1000%, 300%, 600%. Who can make all these percentages possible? NIST can make all these percentages possible. Because they are able to take up this kind of R&D innovation with a kind of a determination to take it to the market. And this is where NIST is coming up with a number of success stories almost every month or once in 2 months. And when we just talk about today, a lot of technologies. So we as Indians, as soon as we get up, coffee is the first thing. Just to have a good beginning, how to have a good beginning for a day, it starts with a cup of coffee. But Ananta, you will be surprised. Last week only I just made one announcement in my office. From today onwards, I'm not going to take any coffee, no tea. I take only milk. But today, after listening to your presentation, I wanted to be a supporter of your technology. Therefore, I will withdraw my promise. I will start my coffee again. Because there is a technology in coffee, at least for another 1 month or maybe 2 months or 6 months. I will adore the coffee. Thanks for helping me to withdraw my promise through your technology. And this coffee technology, I just told him at least 2-3 times. I had a lot of discussion with him. He's the one who really taught me how this foam is getting formed, how it could be made stable, what is bond angle, what is the bond strength, and what is the temperature at which it could be formed, and what are the different techniques by means of which this foam could be formed, and how to make it stable. All the science, the deep tech science I learned from him. And today he has demonstrated it, and hearty congratulations and real hats off to you, Ananta. Ananta has been given one Tata Information Award just 2 years back, and he was given 2 crore, and some well-wishers started thinking, oh, 2 crore the director got. He did not even touch it. He wrote it, he gave it as a promising mail, and he has given it as a kind of a declaration. I will not even touch even 1 rupee from that. That 2 crore will go as the project money to my institute, and my institute will use that money for research. And today he is proudly releasing technologies using the 2 crore fund. And therefore, this is the greatest achievement. And therefore, well-wishers, please don't write that he has taken the money. He has never even looked at the money. The money is plowed back to the institute, and now today he is coming up with a kind of a success story. And the RISE is having not one component or 2 components to admire and adore, but it has multiple components. He is telling it is low GI, and it is telling it is rich with minerals. When we talk about minerals, he is talking about iron, folic acid, multinutrients, micronutrients, all these things he is talking about. And above all, he is talking about it is a protein-rich rice. We Indians, once upon a time, we never had enough thought process, enough awareness, enough learning about the benefits of protein in our food habit. But now our awareness is on protein is really increasing, and this is the apt time you are introducing this protein-rich rice in the market. And I need not appreciate Tata Consumer Product because they are the real heroes in the market, and you know when to introduce the product and when to float it in the market also. So hearty congratulations to Tata Consumer Product. And actually I am totally impressed by the way you just recalled your journey. He was telling that when he was a postgraduate student in CFTRA, he was in some committee and he was doing some kind of a service, and this is how he was there. At least Amit Rastogi was having the front row to get seated. Whereas he was not getting even the front row to get seated, he was just doing some service here, moving around in the front row. At that point of time, the DG, the then DG, Mashelkar ji, was talking. And as usual, who else could not be impressed by Dr. Mashelkar? So when he was listening to Mashelkar, then he thought that, wow, CSR is one great organization. In some form or the other, I should also get connected. But the world or the nature, Mother Nature, always listens to our real and a hardcore interest. And after 25 years, when this century has completed the first quarter, he is now coming back to CSIR, not as a person who is wandering or roaming here and there to do some kind of a service, as a great hero on the stage. And this is the greatest thing that science and technology can pay to any student and every student. And then comes our Amit Rastogi ji. Many times I used to tell people, so you will be sitting here, you may think that the distance is very short, very small, but it will take several years for you to reach from here to here. For him, even at this age, he has taken 2.5 to 3 years to reach this stage. But Amit Rastogi ji, now only your golden period starts. Because you have now understood the mantra, you understood the secret behind the success of technology transfers, and your journey with CSIR started with a great initiative, and I think you will gain momentum, not slowly, very fast.